We made it to Lake Minnewanka. I've seen some incredible pictures from this place, Lake Minnewanka, which is like an hour and a half drive from Calgary. I've seen pictures on Instagram of people ice skating on it. So we've got all our ice skates with us, with the kids. And we're gonna give it a go. It was just a week ago that we were ice skating at Banff Park in Calgary. And it was awesome on a frozen river, so it's not like an artificial ice, it's natural ice. And today we're gonna try to do it in the mountains. We got all 4 pairs in the wagon. And would you look at that beauty? This is gorgeous. What a nice day. Here we go, walking on a frozen lake. And I've never actually walked to this boathouse. We usually just hang around there. We went hiking there. Or when we come, it's summer, and obviously you can't walk on the lake in the summer. But yeah, it's the first time I see it. Looks cute. So some people are changing into the ice skates here. I think we're gonna go further down because I'm not confident on ice skates at all, so I'm just gonna change around the place where I will attempt to ice skate. Hopefully it'll work. It looks so beautiful. There is ice under all this. That's so cool, but it's a bit bumpy. That's why I'm a little bit worried, because everybody's super professional here by the look of it. I lost my kid. She was just here. Okay. Come catch up, honey. So we met up with our friends.
Hello.
There's lovely Kaula, who's also an immigrant, and they just got their residence permit like a few weeks ago.
Yeah, a few weeks ago. So excited.
Which was amazing. I will tag her YouTube account in the description so you can follow her as well. And we're here to go and have all the fun and ice skates. Look at Anais.
Anais is skating. How amazing is that?
There's actually ice under the snow, so she's trying. We've got Tessa, our own storage here. Tessa's on ice skates already. Ollie's ice skating. Off he goes. Anais has had enough, but that's understandable. It's hard work to ice skate.
Why is he doing this?
She is doing what she can not to fall. She's doing really well. This is so funny. You okay, honey? Oh, there's a lovely spot here, and there are people just showing off.
You get pretty on skates, don't see you.
Alright, here I go. Still, I can't remember what I'm doing. Just went ice skating last week. Ooh, it looks beautiful, but this is how I'm gonna die probably. Tess is getting all the help she wants. But it's helping. Oh, it's windy.
Yeah, look at that.
There's some tornado going on there.
You wanna see this?
And I'm not doing so well, you guys. But I'm trying.
You think it's so good?
Oh my god, that's some hardcore dad. That's amazing! Don't fall, please don't fall. You made it! Good job! Anais, was it fun? She's asleep?
No.
It wasn't fun? Oh! So many people, including us, are enjoying this magical day today. It's windy,
For me?
but it's worth it. How many people over there? It's awesome. Skating without ace and all our shoes. This is awesome. I was so proud of myself for not having fallen once over the last 2 times that I tried to ice skate, and I got a bit cocky and I have fallen on my butt just now. It hurts, it freaking hurts, but I'm good. I'll get through this. So yeah, as soon as that happened, I was like, nope, back to the boots. Gonna try again next time, because we're going back to the car now. It's getting chilly with all the wind, but so many people here is so nice. I'm just like, this is amazing. The ice is not at all like on a frozen river. It's a lot bumpier, I think, but still a good practice, and people are having so much fun. Ollie's complaining that it's much harder to ice skate on the snow, so there are bits without the snow. But look how beautiful it looks. Go Ollie. Okay, and back to the car we go. The wind is picking up, it's getting really cold, so we're gonna head home. It's Sunday, so we gotta get ready for the week ahead. But this was amazing. This was my first experience ice skating on a frozen lake, and it's bumpy and it's windy and it's all kinds of amazing. I really enjoyed it. And we're gonna come back again on a sunny day. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry I'm out of breath. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you all again next time. Bonus footage. We came across a goat, a mountain goat I think they're called, on the road.